महीने साल गुजरते जाएंगे, हम प्यार में जीते प्यार में मरते जाएंगे।
देखेंगे
देख लेना
देखेंगे
देख लेना
after all these years.
after all these years.
Wow. So we are beginning the third episode, Sonal.
Yes,
And we were
fine.
actually going to shoot the third episode yesterday night, but we were so tired. We just went off to sleep
On the terrace.
on the terrace. It was a
Yeah.
nice starry night with the crescent moon. And so, what are we going to talk about in the second episode? We already talked about a lot of things where we visited and where we were going around as friends or people who liked each other. So, आज क्या बात करें?
I think we should talk about those moments where we started actually considering each other the special one. Like today, there is a lot of discussion about how do you know this is the one. Yeah. So how did we come to know that you are the one for me? So I do remember those moments. After all these years, I do remember that moment.
I'm curious to know what it is.
You're not supposed to be curious about it. You do know, but also what you meant to me. You can also tell what I meant to you. But for me, you were a person like my father used to jokingly say, "Our damadji is important."
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
important.
yeah. So why did he say that? Is because personally they thought that Parsis were from Iran, so they are not. How do you say? Originally from India. So my father used to joke. I mean, there was no exclusivity or anything, just a joke. But for me, Nozer, you were somebody from the other world. Because the kind of people that I was surrounded with at that time, there was a lot of shaming. Let's just say, when as a girl you are growing up in a Gujarati household, you don't grow up feeling worthy. You grow up feeling that there's everything in you that needs improvement, and it does, okay, but in a different sort of a way. But at that time, and I remember when I was a young kid, I had these glasses and I had lied. So when I met you, there were no glasses, but I was like almost semi-blind. But that story is from some other time. But it is constantly, when you're growing up to a girl, it is being thrown. Who will marry you? If you do this, who will marry you? If you are like this, who will marry you? So it felt like the ultimate end game for a woman is to get married, and she's supposed to have all these beautiful attributes like good looks, how do you say, good culinary skills, homemaking skills. You should know embroidery, stitching at that time. And when you study, the question was not to celebrate you, but the question was who will marry you, if you have. And most of my cousins and all that, trust me, they were all they didn't complete their school or college. So there was a lot of shaming. With you, somehow all of that shaming didn't matter. With you, I could be just me. Yes, at that time, if you want to see me, I was very thin. 19 was my waist, right? And my skin color, I don't think was very fair or something. Now I don't care, but at that time, it was like, oh my God, nothing is right with me. But when I was with you, everything felt right. I mean, you never made me feel that I was not good enough, or I was not fair enough, or sexy enough, so sort of, or you didn't care about my cooking or any of these skills. Okay, and so with you, that's the meaning. I was me. I didn't have to be anybody else. I just could be me. So that's where, when I was with you, the felt sense. Now today that awareness is there, but now I can trace back to like that felt sense of just being with you, sitting with you, talking for hours. At
Yeah.
no point did my skin color or my body weight or the shape of my body ever matter. And you were so more interested in me rather than what I can cook or what I can stitch. So and then there's a point and when I'm feeling all this, I remember you in your white kurta, blue jeans. Trust me, guys, if you had seen him at that time, all of you would have fallen in love with him. And we were going to, I think, Vipul's house
Yeah.
for some prayer and all that. And he met me at Borivali station. And oh my God, when he came there, already I was feeling all of this. Like, I am so comfortable with this guy, and this guy is making me feel so special. And then
Yeah.
that one moment, that is a moment when you cross over, you walk over from just liking this person, from knowing you never want to leave his orbit.
Yeah.
So that was the moment. You your turn, Nozer. I think I've said enough.
Yeah, so yeah, I actually today for a change I let you speak through the
You always let
you
me
no
speak.
you I mean you had to share something. This so today I don't know why this suddenly this episode seems to have a lot of depth into in it. So because the same thing happened with me, I was the youngest child, and also the same thing happened is related to being a Parsi. I was always asked, "Oh, you are a Parsi," and it naturally hinted directly at my skin color because it's assumed that all Parsis have to be fair skinned. And so that I think as a child it was very jarring. The awareness was zero at that point of time. We didn't speak about all these things with parents or with anybody else. Neither was the society talking about it at that point of time. So yeah, I also came from that same kind of a. I mean, I was also body shamed for being short. Thankfully, I don't know if five is a good height right now, but I am happy with my height. But at that point of time, I was very short.
I think
At
with
in school, the same
my
thing. Yeah,
height, it didn't matter.
yeah. But in school again, I was like teased for being very meek, and there was this huge guy who coincidentally lived in my building itself, and he was a big bully, and he bullied me a lot. And so the same thing happened with me also. That when I went in college, and so I was always on the back foot. I was always in a shell. I was never able to open up to anybody. And like many a times when my father would introduce me to people, and it was, oh, you have a son also. I mean, they had never seen me, so I was as good as not there. My existence wasn't there for many people. So when I met Sonal in college, and Sonal was totally somebody else. Like I described her before, she had very long hair, beautiful long hair. You can't miss it. I mean, the moment you see her, you have to see that. And she tied her long hair with a patla sa girl's handkerchief,
Handkerchief, yeah.
lady's handkerchief, and she wore oversized shirt and pant, and she was so, I mean, unassuming and so non-judgmental. Uh, at that point of time,
I
I
am
think
still
she
not
is little
judgmental.
judgmental now, but
No.
at that point of time, she was somebody. I mean, I felt so safe to open up to. I felt कि this is one person जो मतलब कपड़े या जो कैसे दिखते हो, she's not bothered about all that, and that is why I think we instantly wanted to spend time with each other. So, in a way, I would say that I felt like myself when I met Sonal, and I that was in the college. She was, in a way, exactly opposite of what I was or what I wanted to always be. She was very free spirited. She would, and she was learning taekwondo. No one dare tease her. There was this guy who just tried to, put his hand on her shoulders, and she gave her a punch
I know.
on his tummy, and he just sat down. And I'm sure nobody dared to touch her after that. But I felt so comfortable with her. I felt so it was like I could be Nozer. I could be myself. That timid, shy लड़के के पीछे जो real Nozer था, वो safe था and used to feel very unjudged. Okay, so वो एक था. That is what made me feel that yes, this is what actually Sonal means to me, and what she means to me and meant to me, and still I think I uh, feel that way.
Yeah, I can talk to you for hours, even today.
Yeah,
Like yesterday, we were like almost 3 hours in the car drive.
yeah,
I was like, this drive should not get over.
right. And there are moments, no, there are memories like that always कि जैसे हम वैष्णो देवी जब गए थे,
I know, I
right?
remember.
So
I had just invited you on like
right,
just
I
a
think
whim.
it was FIBA the very first year or second year.
FIBA,
FIBA. So
We had not proposed or
yeah,
anything at that
FIBA
time.
we had met,
FIBA.
and we were both naturally we couldn't kind of stay without each other. We wanted to meet each
Yeah.
day, And suddenly, out of nowhere, Sonal said that I'm going to Vaishno Devi and I'm inviting one of my friends. There was a female friend, and she was inviting her.
Neha invited as an afterthought.
Sonal is very comfortable taking names. I am not comfortable taking
Oh,
names,
God,
so I will not
okay.
mention the name. Sonal may mention it. Okay,
There's no
that is
surname. How
also
is anybody
that
going
is
to
also
track anyone?
one of the big differences that we are going to talk about
Yeah,
in
but
the
just
long
by
run.
name, how is anybody? There are so many Nehas in this
Yeah.
world.
So coming back to the Vaishno Devi trip, so she invited me, and I said, "ठीक है, I will join in." And being a Parsi, मैंने तो कभी मतलब मैं तो कभी गया ही नहीं था वैष्णो देवी. मैं तो सोच रहा था अच्छा चलो let me have some more time with Sonal, and if she has invited me, why not? My parents were perfectly okay with it. I don't know why.
Minu
Though
Papa
they were
used to
very
come to
strict.
leave you
Yeah,
at the
and my father
station.
even came to leave me at the station, and they were fine for me going to a trip with a friend and her family and her friends. But one of my friends,
He hated you.
yeah,
His
his
name,
name I
will
can
not
take.
I will not take.
Happily I'll take Tejas. And he was like, मत जा तू ऐसे कैसे जा सकता है ये
He
लड़की
loved
को तू
you, so probably
I don't
was
know he
jealous,
liked
I
me too much. So वो बोल रहा है मुझे तू जा ही मत. He was like, or he was actually giving me the same reaction I was expecting from my father and mother. He was giving me that reaction कि यार तू मत जा, ऐसे कैसे कोई लड़की तुझे बुला रही है और तू चले जाएगा, तू उसको जानता भी नहीं है, and this and that. And I was like, what's happening? Some weird vibes are coming through. Anyways, I did not pay heed to it, thankfully, and
Yeah,
we had
it was
an amazing time at through the Vaishno Devi
It's
trip.
delight in disorder kind of a trip.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of chaos, lot of
Yeah.
mess. But again, like
So,
I would admire you for adjusting to all of the nonsense that my family did put you through.
I don't know. I didn't realize कि मैं कुछ adjust वेडजस्ट कर रहा हूँ. मैं तो बस मजे कर रहा था. I just wanted to be close to you. Also उसमें एक बहुत मजेदार किस्सा हुआ था कि मुझे ठंडी बहुत ज्यादा लगती है. तो मैंने बहुत सारे स्वेटर्स लिए
चार. You were
थे और
wearing
मैंने
4
एक
sweaters.
मेरा अंदर वेस्ट पहना हुआ था. उसके ऊपर मैंने एक बहुत ही बढ़िया मेरा एक वाइट सेलर शर्ट था वो पहना हुआ था. उसके ऊपर मैंने एक और स्वेटर डाला था, उसके ऊपर जैकेट डाला था और उसके ऊपर मैंने शॉल डाला था. एंड हम लोग सब चल रहे थे एंड वी रियली वॉक्ड अप टू वैष्णो देवी एंड इट वाज फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड एंड वी वर वॉकिंग टुगेदर एंड naturally people were apart each other and so I and Sonal nicely at sometimes we were holding hands
Yes.
while
With
walking.
his gloves out.
So
Pura, that full rubber glove
and
you had and you
to
removed it.
after that we realized that when we were holding hands so suddenly मुझे क्या हुआ तो मैंने ग्लव्स स्लाइड ऑफ कर दिया. सोनल ने भी अपने ग्लव्स निकाले और फिर हम दोनों एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के चल रहे थे. एंड बाय द टाइम वी रीच्ड at the top I was sweating. मतलब because the 4-5 sweaters and all the
We
walking
walked 13 kilometers
Right.
uphill.
But that it was so beautiful. It was so pristine. See, I'm a Parsi. I had never been to a place like that, and at that point of time, it was really beautiful. You really felt as if you are in a heavenly place. I'm sure it had the vibes of the.
And there were no
you know,
shops and
yeah,
things. It
there was
only
no show
greenery.
off.
It was
There
like
was no, it
pristine
was so
mountain.
beautiful and untouched.
And I was there with you.
Yeah, and you were there with me.
Yes, totally.
And I think मैंने तुझे बोला था ना कि Sonal had told me that and I also saw it during that trip that her parents used to have a lot of arguments for small little things and it's not new because my parents also used to argue but इसके मतलब Sonal के मम्मी डैडी used to argue a lot and Sonal ने भी मुझे बोला था she used to be very disturbed when she saw them fighting at home. तो जब मैं वैष्णो देवी के टेम्पल के अंदर था एंड सोनल ने मुझे बोला था यू शुड गो एंड आस्क फॉर व्हाटएवर यू वांट एंड वी वर प्रेइंग एंड वी प्रेड एंड आई रियली फेल्ट समथिंग एंड आई जस्ट आस्क्ड नथिंग फॉर माय सेल्फ. आई आस्क्ड के सोनल्स पेरेंट्स शुड जस्ट fight less or just fight less.
That is the best we can ask.
Yeah. Husband wife है तो fight तो
now we know.
they should
That
fight,
time we didn't know, but now
fight
we know.
less. And somehow I don't know if you remember Sonal, I told you, I mean you came and told me later on somehow क्योंकि मैंने तुझे नहीं बोला था. हम लोग ने वो शायद पिक्चरों में देखा था कि नहीं क्या मांगा है वो नहीं बोलना चाहिए and we didn't tell each other. तूने क्या मांगा था?
वो टाइम पे I was too cold to mango anything, and I knew I keep
वापस बस
asking every day.
जहाँ भी हम रहे थे धर्मशाला पहुंचा दो बस.
I know, no, but we are so used to asking for things. हम लोग तो हमेशा कुछ ना
So,
कुछ मांगते रहते थे. नारियल
मैंने सोनल के लिए मांग
चढ़ाएंगे,
लिया
ये
था, and
करेंगे.
believe me,
Yeah.
a few months later, Sonal came and told me out of the blue that somehow my parents have started, I mean,
Truce. God has put
थोड़ा
a
सा
temporary
मतलब
truce
they
there.
become quite okay. They are not fighting so much, and that is the time I told her कि
And ask for it.
you know Sonal मैंने ऐसे ऐसे मांगा था. So I think that is what is, you know, like you said ना, what you mean to me. This is what you meant to me. कि मेरे पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. वाओ, मैं पहली बार वैष्णो देवी टेम्पल में खड़ा हूँ, पता नहीं कुछ क्या मांग लूँ, बट मैंने मांगा for you, and after that I somehow started believing it's better to ask for somebody else, because वो शायद भगवान सुन लेते हैं जब तुम अपने खुले मन से मांग रहे हो. So I think it brings to that कि this is what you
Yeah, you
meant
wanted
to
to
me,
pray for somebody
and
else.
you mean to.
Yeah, that's what. So the one के चर्चे अगर चल ही रहे तो how would you like tell people? How should they decide that this is the one?
अरे वाह,
That
आज मेरा
discussion
रोल
is,
सुनल कर रही है.
yeah, that is a discussion. I am also going to give my 2 bits, but still.
मुझे लगता है कि I think people should not hurry into a relationship and to give tags and give names and ये फलाना, you know, it's a friendship or it's a situationship, yeah, it's, I don't know, so many other names are there. And love तो definitely नहीं. मतलब don't jump into that conclusion that it is love. It's sometimes it can just be fondness. Like I used to joke to Sonal that I तो fell in love with so many people, just like that. तो मतलब वो फिर लव नहीं था ना, वो तो कभी इन्फैचुएशन था, कभी कुछ था. सो आई थिंक हरी नहीं करना है, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू लाइक रियली फील लाइक व्हेन यू रीच दैट वन पॉइंट, लाइक आई सेड के इससे ज्यादा सेल्फलेस चीज क्या हो सकती है, राइट? और अगेन आई ड्राइव इट बैक टू दैट ओनली के मैंने देखा है कि ये चीज एक दोस्ती में ही पॉसिबल होती है, कि एक दोस्त इतना सच्चा दोस्त होता है आपका कि आपको ऐसा है कि यार इसके लिए कुछ हो जाए. So I think I drive back to all that. The most powerful relationship is, I think, friendship, but still you should not hurry up to that conclusion. अच्छा ये हमारी सबसे पक्की दोस्ती है या like that. So yeah, I mean, take your time, wait for that moment, and I think वो जो साइन बोलते हैं ना पिक्चर में, बोलते हैं वो कुछ पता नहीं तारा टूटेगा, वो वैसा कुछ नहीं होगा, but yes, you will reach a point in your relationship where that moment will come where you will like kind of realize that. Can I share that moment?
Yeah.
Exact moment?
Yes.
तो याद है हम लोग, फिर तुम बोलना अपना जो भी है, मैं भूल जाऊँ उसके पहले.
No.
So हम लोग जा रहे थे वही वैष्णो देवी वाली ट्रिप पे. वी वर डूइंग ट्रिप्स टू हरिद्वार, ताज, यू नो, एवरीवेयर. सो हम लोग का बस जा रहा था ताज पे, एंड व्हेन वी वर इन द लग्जरी बस एंड सन ऑलमोस्ट ऐसा ही वक्त था, सन वॉज काइंड ऑफ टूवर्ड्स सेटिंग टाइम, एंड फॉर सम रीजन वी वर जस्ट फूलिंग अराउंड विद ईच अदर. खड़े थे हम दोनों बस में, चलती बस में, और ताज़ा वो एक किसी मिस्टीवियस अंकल ने और मैंने गन्ना खींचा हुआ था, हम लोग मस्ती कर रहे थे, यू नो, ऑल दैट. एंड आई जस्ट लुक्ड एट यू एट दैट मोमेंट, एंड यू वर इन अ क्रीम शलवार कमीज, आई रिमेम्बर डिस्टिंक्टली. एक बांधनी वाला ऑरेंज ग्रीन वाला दुपट्टा था, and those beautiful long hair which now you don't have.
Oh God, please forgive me.
It's okay, absolutely, I love you with short hair also. So lambe baal at that point of time, lightly tied with your lady's handkerchief, and the sunlight was falling. I can't forget that visual, and that's the time I knew that I love you, I love this girl, I'm sure. So that's that moment. I mean, that moment will come, but it will not come so fast. Don't jump to that के अरे वाह पहली लड़की देखी और सोचा कि वाह ये तो मेरी जीवन साथी है. Love at first sight, I don't think होता है.
Yeah, I think it's a personal moment and it's so beyond words.
Yeah.
You cannot put it into words. No amount of research or thesis can be written on this. It is a private moment.
Yeah.
With you, like when I told you already, I remember these 2 distinct moments, and you also know about them. So it's like this time when we were going to Vipul's house for some prayer, and you were wearing that white kurta and jeans. Oh my God. Like I saw you coming on the Borivali station in that crowded Fildi station, but I had like My princess
And
come.
what actually Sonal is describing was just a white kurta.
Yeah,
guys,
you were
on a
not
denim.
even dressed.
I mean, it was just like a white kurta, and I
But
loved
to
it.
me,
I loved
you were the handsomest, the sweetest, the
handsomest ऐसा word होता
softest.
है, ठीक है, मतलब personification
तो
होता है.
ये मोमेंट में ग्रामर नहीं करते ना, तो इट्स
तू
लाइक
मेरे
फॉर
लव
मी.
लेटर्स में सर्कल करती है ना words.
ये लव लेटर है, तू लव लेटर लिख रहा है मेरे को अभी फिलहाल.
So this is how
And
generally
wait,
Sonal talks to
we
me.
also had I think that palat moment of Shah Rukh Khan.
हाँ.
Okay.
Palat
So,
moment? हाँ.
हाँ, palat moment. It's like
हाँ, अच्छा, right, okay, हाँ.
कि, when I used to go to my karate classes, it
Hmm.
used to be 6:30 का train
हाँ.
I used to take.
Yeah.
And you used to go to some CS class. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you were like, no, this is my class is there.
गलती है
And you
सबसे
were
होती है.
going to that
CS
particular day. Okay, that's not in question right now. That particular day, you were going to go for some shooting.
हाँ.
And I was not so sure whether he'll come.
You said this already. You
हाँ,
shared
I
this.
know,
हाँ.
but that is the moment. ये जो
Yeah,
पलट
अच्छा,
moment
moment,
है ना.
हाँ, okay.
So I'm down at that bridge.
Hmm.
खंडिवली का वो पूरा bridge है.
Hmm.
Okay, and I'm like leaving a train. I left the train of 6:15.
Hmm.
Then I left the train of 6:18.
Hmm.
Then the 6:26 train came, and that was like the last train I'm supposed to take if I want to reach on time.
Hmm.
Something in me still tells me that he would come.
Hmm.
So I let that train go.
Hmm.
That is 6:26.
Hmm.
And the 6:31 train is about to come, and I'm like, oh my god, now he's not going to come. And then at 6:30, you're like with that coat in hand and hair jumping you of coming down. So that was that utmost faith, that he will come.
Hmm.
And when like you came,
Hmm.
so it is like that palat moment that you have that faith. You know it. It's all around you. There are no violence and all that going on. But that soft, that moment
Yeah.
when you know, oh my god,
And
no
now,
one else,
and
no one else, only him.
now your turn to tell that what I shared कि
हाँ.
लोगों के लिए अभी like
वही-
say
वही
for
मतलब
example
बोला कि there's
people
no-
who are right now currently in a relationship
हाँ.
or thinking that
रुकिए.
they like love each other or whatever.
No, wait for that moment. Wait for that beautiful moment when all background noise stops.
Yeah.
Anything and everything is that you've heard about love, that you felt about love, that Instagram tells you about love. Everything fades in the background, and there is that one private moment. Despite all this that is written about
Hmm.
the one, rukiye, wait for that moment.
Hmm.
And if that person is, you will have that moment where
Right.
it's just you. It's like सागर का वो गाना है,
कौन सा?
जाता
चेहरा-
लम्हा थम जाए.
हाँ.
It's that moment. It's jata lamha tham jaye. And in that moment, you will forever, capture this beautiful moment. The first time when your heart whispers, this is the one. So don't search them in any clever formulas and all that. Just search them inside. And it's like from the fog, this person comes. These are not special moments. I've seen
Yeah.
even today, people proposing and creating big films out of it.
Real.
Yeah, it's not found in reels. It's found even though I'm a very big fan of reels and I love to create them. But this moment, it's not when they are decked up and already. The heart will never lie. So
Right.
that is the moment. Yeah.
So yeah, ये तो मतलब लोग सोच रहे होंगे ये तो सब अच्छा ही बोल रहे हैं, कुछ इनके साथ कुछ गड़बड़ तो हो ही नहीं रही है.
आज नहीं.
ऐसे वो लाइटनिंग
other
थंडरिंग, हाँ वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि लाइटनिंग थंडरिंग हो
बहुत
गई.
हुआ.
एंड लाइक देयर हैज टू बी सम क्लिफ हैंगर कि ये लोग झगड़ा भी करते हैं ऐसे कैमरा को दिया, लाइक दैट. So the next episode should be about all our differences.
हाँ, पर ये मोमेंट एंजॉय करना.
हाँ मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में ये रहेगा.
एपिसोड में करेंगे जो
Right.
करेंगे.
So yeah, that's also one of the differences.
Yeah, he jumps. He immediately jumps to all the practical parts.
Yeah.
And he has decided where we are going to sit.
Hmm.
But he will ask my opinion like a very good diplomat and all that. So my only answer is, जो
Not-
कहोगे हम वो करते जाएंगे.
जाएंगे हम प्यार में जीते प्यार में मरते जाएंगे, देखेंगे.
देख लेना. Then there is another line also. तुमको हमने मान लिया रब, तुम जानो. हम ये जाने बाकी सब
तुम जानो. ये गाना भी तुम जानो.
करना है क्या नहीं तुम जानो, अब तुम जानो. So again, when a person makes you feel that, कि तुम जो कहोगे हम
हम
कर
कर
जाएंगे.
जाएंगे. This is wonderful. I mean, this is the best
Yeah,
way we
this
could
is the
shoot
best.
rather
There's
than
no
having
takes, nothing.
the 3 cameras and all that. And this is like nice, yeah. So
Yeah.
मजा आ रहा है ऐसे करते हुए. I'm sure y'all are listening to the podcast in audio format as well as watching it video format.
Yeah, we want
And
to
if y'all
hear from
want,
you.
y'all want us to share something in particular.
हाँ.
हमारे 3 एपिसोड में कुछ एक ऐसी बात अच्छी लगी आपको या जो भी है which you want to know more in detail, let us know.
Something touches you when we have shared something.
Yeah.
Let us know that also. Interact. प्यार से प्यार बढ़ता है जैसे.
Yeah.
So give us more love.
Yes.
It's like,
And we'll shower our love back in
yeah,
the form
we'll
of a new
shower.
episode.
And there's so much to share actually. It's like करोगे याद तो हर बात याद आएगी. I think I
The first-
sang in the
yeah.
first episode. There's so much.
Yeah.
Even if we take a walk down that nostalgia lane.
That's a hint. Sonal is trying to say कुछ भूल रहे क्या?
No, I'm just saying there's so much. So if they ask us, we
Yeah.
may remember
Yeah,
something. This is no big pravachan we want to give or
Yeah.
anything. We just want to share because we have been with each other like 33 years.
Yes.
That's a time. Yeah, that's a long time. And like Noza said, we'll be talking about the differences also. A little bit always will come out also.
Yeah.
We are drastically different people. And yet, and I see him right now in that yellow kurta with all
And
those
I
white
see you in
beard.
that red
Right.
dress.
You are the one.
Yes. And together we may look like McDonald's.
Okay. All right. He has this very warped sense of humor which he always wants to bring after every single intense moment. I don't know why.
Yeah. And she lacks humor.
I have humor. I just use it selectively.
So yes, difference.
Next episode.
Next
right
episode.
now. I love you.
और very quickly और कुछ याद आ रहा है?
पहले मैंने I love you बोला, उसका जवाब दे.
I love you कब बोला?
अब भी बोला.
क्या बात? ऑन कैमरा बोला?
हाँ, अब भी
तो
बोला.
वापस
On
बोल,
camera
तो मैं बोलता हूँ.
I love you.
I love you too, Sonal.
मेरा पे पूछो ना.
So अच्छा हाँ, so that is one biggest difference which is also connected to today's episode, क्योंकि Sonal was very comfortable with PDF. Okay.
Public display of affection,
हाँ,
right?
सबको
That's what
पता है
it-
या
ना,
गूगल कर
नहीं,
लेंगे,
but तू
चैट
यार-
जीपीटी को पूछ लेंगे. हाँ.
What PDA? You mean what I do?
That only PD, मेरे को कोई और दूसरा PD नहीं मालूम. So, but I wasn't. Okay.
हाँ,
So कभी कभी बहुत difficulty हो जाती थी जब when we are. So she used to hug me bindas when we were sitting on Kinetic, and she would not even mind kissing me on my cheeks from behind when we declared our love for each other, not when we were just going around with each other. So और तो मैं बहुत ही shy और timid किस्म का इंसान था जो
I
मुझे
can let on one thing,
Yeah.
and he's gonna hate me for it.
I can
don't
cut it.
care.
I am the editor.
No,
मैं
no,
तो
you
काट
won't be
दूंगा.
able to cut
Beep
it.
कर दूंगा.
I taught him to kiss, guys.
Kiss guys.
I taught him to kiss, and guys is the
अच्छा
audience.
Shit, I heard. I thought. Okay, हाँ, you can say that. उसमें क्या हुआ?
हाँ, I told already that.
Yeah, ठीक है.
Yeah, so I was pretty bindas that way.
Yeah.
That is, I'm just adding to whatever you're saying.
Yeah. So yeah, and yeah, I was a good student. I would say.
Yes.
और क्या. So like शाइन एंड शान से के 50 साल की उम्र के बाद इंसान कुछ भी बोल सकता था, वैसे वो कैटेगरी में तो हम नहीं पहुंच गए.
पहुंच गए, we are 51.
कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं.
कुछ भी किधर बोल रहे हैं?
So
We're giving out.
yeah, and तो कुछ याद आ रहा है? I asked you कि are we missing out something कि ये जो like वैष्णो देवी ट्रिप पे जो था और कुछ that we enjoyed. Yeah, Haridwar. We were together and we had a beautiful Kala Jamun together.
इतना बड़ा, like an
Yeah.
apple it was.
So that's one story we keep telling everybody. I don't know why we keep telling
Because
that.
it was so unusual to have such a big.
Such
We've
a
never
huge,
seen such a big
Kala
Kala
Jamun, yeah.
But early morning, thandi, where we were like.
So actually that Kala Jam is like a representation of we were as crazy as, I mean, young as 17 when we met each other.
हाँ.
18, sorry.
18.
18 when we met each other. And it's like today we are 51,
One.
touching 52. And yeah,
Life is good.
after all these years,
You have been the one.
you have been the one.
Yes.
I
You
love
are
you,
the one.
Sonal.
I also love you, Nausel.
And of course, How can we forget the
Now
love
what?
letters? Sonal used to write lovely love letters, long love letters, and I already shared that मैं तो खाली एक line में मतलब छोटा सा reply करता था. But we also wrote a lot of poems. I think Sonal wrote a lot of poems, especially in English. वो English की poems लिखती थी, मैं हिंदी में poem लिखता था. वो काफी romantic poems लिखती थी, मैं बहुत sad poems लिखता था.
हाँ सड़ू था थोड़ा.
अब मैं अच्छे गाने बना रहा हूँ, रोमांटिक
हाँ
सॉन्ग्स
सुनो पे
और
थोड़े राइम कर ले यार.
या नहीं, मैं उसको पोएट्री की तरह लिख रहा हूँ यार.
थोड़े राइम कर ले.
फ्री वर्स इज द बेस्ट थिंग. सो मेनी इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स आर इन फ्री वर्स एंड
And I'm voting that you should now not just put those photographs AI generated. You should actually shoot with people.
sure we'll do
We
that.
call people
I
out.
think that is a conversation for some other podcast.
हाँ,
ये podcast
ठीक है.
चल रहा है all
No, we have just dropped.
After all
Like
these
anybody
years.
interested in shooting romantic videos.
हाँ तो we should shoot one with each other. मतलब हम दोनों
अरे
हैं जिसमें.
यार खुद को हीरो हीरोइन बनाते रहेगा हर बार दूसरों को बना.
So how do we conclude? ऐसे हम लोग conclude कर रहे हैं ये episode.
ना आई लव यू बोल दिया कंक्लूड हो गया.
हाँ right.
I
Okay.
love you.
So I love you and by
Please
the
write
way.
to us. Tell
By
us
the
how
way,
you are liking us.
By the way, just a secret, we are shooting the 4th episode also today only. Since we are at Lovedale, तो बहुत अच्छा वातावरण है, बहुत अच्छा लोकेशन है, and I hope that we are able to shoot the
उसके बाद
4th
टेरेस पे
episode.
जाके
And let
वापस
us
सो जाएंगे.
let us know. Do you like this better? Do you like this location better? This is our second home, Lovedale, and what you watched in second episode was our home in Mumbai. So tell us, where do you like to watch this podcast being shot at? Lovedale or in Mumbai?
तब तक तो कितने एपिसोड शूट हो गए होंगे तू ये पूछ
चलेगा ना 4 episodes.
फटाफट डाल देना.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
बाय बाय.
Bye bye.
बाय.
See you.
You are the
Uh,
one, Sonia.
And yes, you और आपको भी अगर किसी को बोलना है, रुको जरा, सब्र करो.
Let the heart tell you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.